Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to get started with trading. You learn first how to fund your account, and secondly you learn how to place trades. Yes, you learn how to impute the coordinates like the trades that I always call on my group to your MT5 or your XM account so that you can make money. So it's pretty easy and straightforward. So in this video I'll be walking you through that process. So one of the things that I want you to take note is that I want you to follow this video step by step so that you do not miss any step. But if you have any difficulties on your way, you can always reach out to me in the comment section and I'll be glad to help you. So without further ado, let's go fund our account and start making money. So make sure you enter your partner's code. So you just put your email and your password and enter partner's code. So the partner's code, I told you to for validation, right? For you to be allowed into the group, you have to put the partner's code, right? And also it enables me to track your progress. So you come here, you put that in here, you paste that, then you put your email. And then create your password, right? Then click on register. So because I've already registered, that's why it's telling me this. So I will just go ahead to just log in. I'm just showing you this, right? So like and metrics. So here, that's it, right? So this is how the interface looks like. It's pretty easy. And so this is your B account. So to fund, it's just straightforward. Let's go and fund our account. Now to fund the account, here you just tap re, right? Here you click on deposits. So make sure you deposit a minimum of $30, right? So you click on deposits, and these are different methods you can use. So I will recommend you use back transfer. So what you do is make sure you get yourself verified, because if you don't verify yourself, you'll not be able to use bank transfer. So you just go to your account and verify your account. So to do that, I'm just going to use my driver's license to do that. You can use your name if you don't have a driver's license or your international passport. So anyone will suffice. So I'll quickly verify mine and continue. So you get a confirmation email when you're done with the verification. So let us wait for the confirmation email, right? So you click on your account, then click on deposits. So you see online bank transfer is not activated, right? So you're just going to click on it and you select bank. So I'll use my OP. So the reason why this is good, if you have like no small amount of you to about minimum $5 so that we packing some funds. So we are sending 51,600 naira. So yeah, you can confirm. So click on payment. So you see it's pretty straightforward. If you have issues, you can contact me in the comment section so that I'll respond to that. So one of the things that you should do is that do not make sure you do not close this, right? Do not close this portal. So here they are sending to Stanley Bank and this is their number. So just copy it. It's in there, then click on OK. So you can transfer. So you see, when you're done with the transfer, you go back. You see here, see that it's reflecting here. So that's how to fund your account. So now let's go back. Now you see our account, the amount is now double.